Well, this is just what the internet wanted, another video about an old Honda motorcycle. But in this case, it's my motorcycle. In fact, it's a 1977 Honda CB550F Super Sport, and I'm going to talk about it. So I bought this bike back in 2015, and after a lot of time and money, I got it running really well. And for a couple of years, I was riding it back and forth to work every day, and I racked up a few thousand miles. But then we moved to California, and it sat for 4 years on the side of my house, and entirely my fault. I didn't do enough to keep it from deteriorating over time. So I finally have it in the garage, and I've finally been able to take a look and kind of just see how bad things are, and I don't know, it could be worse. I'll just run through kind of what I see at first glance. So these are the items that need attention just to get the bike running and probably riding safely. Fuel tank. The carb rack is definitely filthy inside and out. The front shock seals need replacing. Definitely the front brake master cylinder and the caliper. And unfortunately, I think an expensive amount of rubber needs replacing. And then of course there's the whole subject of tuning and maintenance, which I'll have to get to just to get it running. And really this is all for fun. I just figure the skills I used to bring this bike back to life in 2015 are just not at the same level as I am now, and so I'd really like to give this bike the 2023 treatment. I'm not going to go nuts. I'm not going to turn it into a cafe racer like 10 years late to that trend, but I do want to do things right and make it nice. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show. See you in the next one.